If you are suffering from colitis, I can understand it's a very tough situation. It makes life harder. I have lots of patients with colitis. Today's video, I'll share with you some of my experiences, name of the herbs that can be helpful. I'm not sure about how easy it will be for you to find those herbs, but I'll try to give you the best general remedy. Try it out. Maybe will be helpful for you. Hi, my name is Dr. Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. My recommendations are going to be all natural. It's all going to be based on herbs and some of the vitamins without use of any of the chemicals. I'm not saying to get out of your chemical medicines. I'm just saying maybe to add on these herbs if you are not getting good results with the medicine that you are using. So add these stuff and maybe you'll get the desired result and maybe your life will be better. And then about reducing the dose or how to temper the dose, you can talk to your doctor or you can talk to an Ayurvedic specialist near to you and maybe they will be helping you in this. I'll try to give you the best recommendation. So let's start the video. Ayurveda, the holistic medical science, says if you want to treat colitis, you have to treat digestive fire. By digestive fire, I mean your digestion, your metabolism. Then only you'll get better results. Otherwise, it will be just trying to remove the symptoms. So if you want to get treated, you have to change your lifestyle. You have to change your food habits. For colitis, Ayurveda recommends following Pitta pacifying diet. Very simple diet, nothing fancy in it. There is a list of products that you should consume and there is a list of products that you should avoid, food products. I have that on my website, vherbal.in. I'll put the link down below. You just click over there and you'll get the Pitta pacifying diet. Just follow that diet. And this diet maybe will be helpful for you. But in that diet, there will be written some of the dairy products also. For 3-4 months, you don't have to consume the dairy products that are written on that diet to consume. You can even avoid those dairy products also. If the condition is very severe, so avoid all the dairy products. About meat also. So over there will be written what are the animal products that you can consume, what are the things that you should avoid. I will say for 3 months at least, try to avoid animal product, any kind of dairy or it can be in the meat form. So try to avoid it or as less as you can for 3 months and then slowly, gradually you can add them up. This we are doing so that we don't get anything that can give inflammation in the body. I want you to eat lighter food or the food that is easy to digest, those kinds of food. That's why I'm giving you these recommendations. Now, if we talk about herbs that can be used, the first is, it's in powder, name is Avipattikar. This is the name. I understand maybe it's hard for you to understand this or hard for you to even pronounce it. That's why it's written on the screen. Just Google it and maybe someone is selling near to you. No, I don't sell any of the medicine that I'm going to recommend in this video. So Avipattikar, you have to find it by yourself. Start by using 1 teaspoon at night. Before sleep, you can take 1 teaspoon. You can mix this in the water and then drink it. Either you can just take it and drink it with water. So Avipattikar churna or Avipattikar powder. This you have to use 1 teaspoon at night. And this powder will take care of your digestive fire. So you are following Pitta pacifying diet, then you are eating this powder. These two things will enhance your digestion. Your digestion will be better. Even if you are having liquid stool, then also use this powder and you will feel the effect within a day or 2. This is the beauty of Ayurveda. You don't have to wait for long. Results you are going to see very fast. So start applying these recommendations and maybe will be helpful for you. Second recommendation. This is going to be a hard one. This is about finding Vilvadi Lahyam. It is of 2-3 types. All the names are written over here. You can Google any of the name. Try to get it. I hope will be available on internet. Just search it, just Google it and start using it. 1 teaspoon 3 times in a day. In the morning, in the daytime and at night. You have to use it. Start using it every 3 hours. Every 3 hours. Consume 1 teaspoon of this paste. Start consuming half teaspoon, that's about 3 grams of this paste. Every 3 hours you have to consume. If someday it's very hard for you to consume 3 times every 3 hours, then try to take 1 teaspoon 3 to 4 times in a day. Do it in this way. It's a jam, it's a paste. It's not as sweet as chocolate, but it's not so bitter or very bad in taste, for me at least. I have tried all the herbs. I don't suffer from this issue, but for my interest to give you all these recommendations, I have tried it. So it's okay, you can say, in taste. So eat it in the way as I have said. If you want, you can drink warm water after consuming it. This is very powerful Ayurvedic formulation. Ayurveda is an holistic medical science. It's awesome results. So try this Ayurvedic jam. You will be surprised. Within 3 days, you are going to feel improvement. After a week, try it for a few days. Come back to this video. Write your feedbacks in the comment box down below. It's good or bad, anything. Just write it, because your feedbacks are going to help others also who are going to see this video, because maximum people who are going to watch this video, they are people who are suffering from colitis. So your experiences, or if something else has helped you, because your simple comment maybe will be very helpful for others. So do share your feedback. For me also it will be interesting, and for other people also to read. So this was about the paste. Now another recommendation is about finding Vilvadi Gutika. It's the tablet form, or it will be in the round form. You can use 1 or 2 tablets 2 times in a day. That's in the morning and in the evening. When to use tablet, it doesn't matter. You can use it before food also. You can use it after food also, as you are comfortable. The same with the paste also. You can use it before food or after food as per your comfort. So Vilvadi Gutika, this can be also helpful. There are other names also for it. I'll write all the names. You can just Google it and go for which is easily available near to you. So these are Ayurvedic recommendations. Now if we talk about herbs that can be helpful, then stinging nettle root tea can be very, very beneficial, but it should not be continued for more than 15-20 days. And you can drink it 1 time in a day. Don't go for more often. Just 1 time in a day will be enough. This is also a good herb that helps in reducing the symptoms of colitis. But after 15-20 days, just discontinue it for a month, and then again, if you want, you can add it up. If we talk about vitamins, vitamin D3 is going to play very, very crucial role. You have to check your blood levels of vitamin D3. If they are down, go with good doses of vitamin D3. It can be 7,000 IU per day. It can be 8,000 IU per day. It can be 10,000 IU per day. But you have to have optimum levels of vitamin D3. This will be very important to reduce the inflammation in your body, inflammation in your gut. So vitamin D3 is going to play a very crucial role. Another thing that can be helpful is taking zinc. Go with zinc biglycinate or zinc glycinate or zinc chelate. You can also go for. Those can be about 40 to 50 mg per day. Zinc you have to take only 1 time, and that too just after your meal, not on empty stomach. Zinc you have to take for 2 months and then have a gap of a month, and then again you can continue for 2 months. In this way you can take zinc. These herbs that I have shared with you, you can use for about 3 to 5 months. Then you have to discontinue for a month, and then again you can continue with the herbs. So that's it. Simple remedies, but I understand maybe it will be hard for you to find the herbs. Try to get them, and I very much hope that you will get good results with it. And the beauty of this treatment is you are not going to get any of the side effects, that using the herb will give you any of the side effect. No, this is not going to happen. What I have seen in my practice is these things work. That's why I am sharing it with you also. I understand the severity of the conditions, and I understand that over here I am giving general recommendation, but I have tried my best so that these general recommendations can be helpful for maximum. I very much hope today's video will be helpful for you. See you next video with a big smile. Up to the time, smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.